In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the RAM speed on your Windows 11 computer. So this is going to be a nice and easy tutorial, and all you need to do is come over to the Start menu and search for Task Manager and then click on the window like so. From here, you want to select Performance from the left-hand side, then select Memory from this list. Now, if you come right down to the bottom here, you'll see this speed section, and this is the amount of speed you have on your RAM. You can also hover over the slots used, and that's going to give you a little bit more information about how your RAM and speeds are being allocated. Now, the second method to check your RAM speed is by heading over to your Start menu and searching for CMD, and then right-clicking on the command prompt and running as administrator. In this window here, you just need to type in WMIC space memory chip space get space speed and then hit enter. And as you can see, that's also giving us the same reading as our Task Manager. So you can see my speed is 3200, and it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you get your RAM speed in Windows 11. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.